Hi guys, here is how you can make Arrow Annie's arrow so you can be Arrow Annie at home. You need tape, scissors, 3 pieces of card and some coloured pens. Tape 2 pieces of card together. Roll up to make a tube and tape together so it keeps its shape. Using the last piece of card, fold over the corners to make a triangle. Cut around the triangle so you have a square. Fold your squares to make a triangle and tape together. Make 3 incisions at the end of the tube and slot in the triangles. Fold the part of the triangles that is inside the tube so the triangles don't fall out mid-flight. Decorate your arrows however you'd like. Now get those arms up and throw your arrow. Why not send us a picture or a video of your Arrow Annie arrows?